I'm gonna show you actually the hotel in which you will be staying if you are coming to Ireland, and if you get quarantined, in which hotel you will be staying. I will show you all this stuff. So be with me. Just gazing at the sun, so that sun please don't go away, because sun is very shy out here. You know that, right? I don't know what I'm talking. So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream with Nikki. So you know that, right? Where I am, I am in Dublin city centre as usual, because that's what I do on every weekend. And since this day it's awesome, it's amazing, it's so sunny, so I have to go out. So here I am. But today I'm gonna share very useful information with you guys. You need to know that. And the thing is that if you are not vaccinated by the prescribed vaccinations, which has been which are Moderna, AstraZeneca, Covaxin, and Johnson & Johnson, and I guess there might be some couple of more vaccines by the time this video comes out, because things are getting updated at a lightning speed. So I suggest you to please check the videos, please check the website to know the right vaccine, list of vaccines. So, but yeah, these are the vaccines which I know. So if you are not vaccinated by them, so you need to get quarantined in a hotel in Ireland for 14 days, and there is some fee which you have to pay, so we'll discuss about it. So let's start from the very beginning. Like if you're coming from India, so you need to get your RT-PCR test done within 72 hours of your landing. For example, if you are landing in Ireland at the time 8 p.m. on Wednesday, so you need to get your RT-PCR done minimum by Monday 8 p.m. Otherwise they will not allow you to board the flight. Yes guys, this is what happens. And they will actually check the time zone as well. Like you can't play with them. So make sure about it, otherwise your whole money, everything will be gone. So take care of it. Now this is step number one. So once you have that document ready, now what you have to do is that you need to book the hotel to get quarantined in Ireland. Like of course, if you are vaccinated by those lists of vaccines, you don't need to get quarantined, but still you would be needing that document where you have gone through that RT-PCR test again within 72 hours of landing. And that is very important, guys. A lot of people get confused that is it boarding or is it landing? It is landing, loud and clear. Okay, we are sorted with that. I'm tired. Anyways, let's go on. Once we have completed our stage number one, now comes the step number two, which is to get your hotel booked, quarantine hotel booked. So there is a website, I'll share the link in the description below. So you have to go there and you have to book your hotel. If you are coming with your family, I guess there's an option of 2 adults and 2 kids. So you need to check that out. But usually for single person, the amount which you have to pay is 1850 euros. So yeah, once you are set with your hotel bookings, you have to carry that document, and you have to carry your RT-PCR document, and yes, of course, your boarding and blah blah blah. So once you have done with those documents and you land here in Ireland, so you would be taken to your hotel. And yes, you can't choose the hotel, that's the thing, that's up to the Irish government in which hotel they would be taking you. But it depends, like if you are landing in Dublin, then they will be of course taking you to the Dublin vicinity, and if you are landing in Cork or in Shannon, so things will change according to that. But yes, they will be you are not the one who is going to choose the hotel, they are the one who will take you to your designated hotel. And then once you reach the hotel, what happens is that within 24 hours again they will do your COVID test, and if that test comes negative, and that should, I pray it should come negative, then what happens is that after on 10th day again they would be doing your COVID test, and if it comes negative, you will be released from your jail. Like, I'll tell you why is it jail on 10th day. Report might come on 11th day. So the thing is that the cycle is of 12 days actually, and if everything goes well, you would be released from your hotel quarantine in 12 days. But now let's talk about things don't go as planned, right? So what if you land to Ireland and then you are tested COVID positive? So what happens is that you will be quarantined for 14 days, and on 14th day you will be tested again. And if again, God forbid, you come COVID positive, then government will be again make you quarantined for 14 more days, and this time they will be paying the fees. Like, that's the exciting part. You don't have to pay for the accommodation. You will be staying in the hotel, you will be food, and you don't have to pay. Okay, I know it's kind of not good to get COVID, but yeah, still, every cloud has silver lining, so that's what I'm saying. So let's talk about the facilities in the hotel. Of course, you'll get food, and of course you'll get Wi-Fi, and you might, if you're lucky, you will get kettle as well. Like, most of the people will get kettle, but that's it. Yeah, there will be no oven, no toaster, nothing like that, and you might get your iron as well. But that's it. That's all you are gonna get. Your dietary requirements you can mention to them at the time of actually filling the form while you were in India, or you can to the hotel staff, you can tell them what kind of food do you want to have, like, if you're allergic or do you want vegan food, stuff like that. They will do care of it. That that's a good part, that they consider those things. What I've heard is that it's so very limited, portions, and if you are not feeling, satisfied, I want more food, don't worry. You can pay them, and they will offer you food, or I guess you can ask for delivery as well. Like, if you can from Tesco or Spar, you can get your delivery. Yeah, that's what you can actually do. And also laundry happens once in 3 days, and what you have to do is that you have to keep your dirty linen and towel outside your gate, and they will keep fresh and clean linens in front of the gate, but no one is going to come inside your room actually, and they are not going to do any kind of housekeeping, and the reasons, that, right? So this is what is gonna happen with you. Don't be scared. It might look scary, but it's not that scary. And yeah, if you are so tired of your room and you wanna go for a stroll, yes, you can go, but for 15 minutes only, and someone will escort you, and that's how you will get your freedom for 15 minutes. Yeah, it's kind of a jail, but you do get good food and Wi-Fi there, so you can actually work there. It's not that you have to take leave from your office for 15 days. No, that's not the excuse you can give to your office. You have to work because they are providing Wi-Fi to you. And yeah, on 10th day, or on whatever day you are released, you will be escorted by the army. And yes, they will be giving you a certificate stating that you have been quarantined with the Irish government for 10 days or whatever days, that depends upon your COVID test. And also if you want that your RT-PCR report, you have to request them. They are not gonna give you, like, on the day of your once you are leaving the hotel. No, they are not going to give you like that. You have to request them. It might take a day or two, I'm not sure about that, but yes, you can ask them. So this is what is gonna happen with you. Now if you're worried, like, oh my god, what kind of hotel it is, like your mother is like, oh my bacha kahan rahega, so don't panic, I'm there to help. Niti is there to help you. So I'm gonna show you in what kind of hotel you would be you might stay, and what are the facilities you would be having. So we're gonna have a look to that. You wanna see that? I wanna see that. So shall we see? We will see.